Good morning, I'm Faye Thompson. This morning we're going to do fried cabbage. We're going to start off with some bacon. Usually I use a thinner sliced bacon than that, but we didn't have that. So I'm going to cut this up in small pieces and we're going to see how much of it we're going to use. I think that's about all we're going to need. We're going to put this in a pan and we're going to cook this. We don't want it crispy. You know, it's got to where these cast iron pots are so heavy. As old as I am, I don't handle them well as I used to, but I really do like them. I love cast iron probably better than any kind of cookware you can buy. I have this little container that I love to keep for bacon grease. When I cook bacon, it has a strainer on it, and you can buy these in a lot of places. And you just pour your bacon grease over in there, just strains it, and then you've got bacon grease to cook your vegetables with. I really use a lot of bacon grease when I cook vegetables. Almost at a certain taste that just goes with that kind of food. Okay, I think we're there. We're ready to take this bacon out. Okay, we're ready to put our onions. These do not have to be chopped up fine. You don't want these to get brown either. I think they're just about ready. We're going to put our other spices. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. 2 cloves of garlic. Got those ready to go. Now we're going to put our bacon back in there. We'll stir all that up. Then we're going to put 1/4 cup of water. And if you think that sounds strange, the water is to just start the cabbage off. Or the cabbage has a lot of water in them, and when you're cooking them, a lot of water will come out of them. But let me be sure I tell you, it's a medium-sized head of cabbage, and there's 16 cups, and we just roughly cut that. Now, it won't, nothing like be this much cabbage. It cooks down a lot, so don't think you're going to have that much cabbage. It won't be near that much. We need to get some of those drippings built up on the top of it, and then I'll cover it up and cook it a little while. Now, I think we can put the top on that. This doesn't have to cook very long, probably 15-20 minutes maybe. We'll check it. See how it's cooking down? It's already almost half the size as it was. So what we got to make sure that it cooks out enough water where it won't burn. I need to tell you something else that's been a great help to me. I put my bacon grease dripping pan and my Crisco in a little container, a plastic container, and then it doesn't get if any gets out, you know, it will get a little greasy sometimes. And I put it in the shelf like that so it doesn't get my shelf dirty. And then when this gets a little greasy, you can take it out and wash it real good. But that's been a lot of help to me. Now we have finished our fried cabbage casserole, and I hope you enjoy it. And we will see you on another family video. Thanks for watching.